Hi everybody, it's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library, and we are here today to make another craft. And guess what? We get to use paint. Yay! So first thing you want to do is, yes, put on some clothes that are okay to get dirty or wear a smock. And you want to cover whatever you're going to be using to paint on, your table or wherever, okay? Find a safe place to paint on. And then let's get started. We are going to be making this super cute and fun chick hatching craft. Oh, that was a mouthful. Okay, so let's start with what's going to be in your kit. Let's start with what's going to be in your kit. Okay, you're going to have the directions, of course. You're going to have some yellow paint, and you're going to have this little thing of black paint. You will have a white piece of cardstock, a little piece of orange construction paper, and a brown piece of paper. Okay, this is going to be the fun part. Okay, let me grab a pencil because I forgot I have a pencil with me, guys, and that's important. So, another thing, what you might want from home, what you will want from home is something to draw with. I'm going to use a pencil. You're going to want some glue and scissors. Also, the painting is really meant to be with fingers, but you can use a paintbrush if you'd rather. So if you want to use a paintbrush, you would want to have that too. Okay, let's start. I know I keep saying that. Let's start. I have a paper towel here so I can wipe my fingers after I'm finished. All right. So we're going to start with this brown piece of paper. You might need some big people's help with this craft, okay? So we're all going to use a little bit of patience and we're all going to work together and we're going to get this craft set. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw an oval, not a circle, an oval, because we want it to look like an egg on this brown piece of paper. But we want to make sure it's going to fit onto this. So we want an oval, but we don't want it to be too big. All right, so your big person can maybe help you draw an oval, and then you can cut it out. All right, or your big person can help you cut it out. It doesn't even have to be perfect, okay? That's okay if it's not. All right, so once your oval is drawn on the brown paper, can you kind of see it on there? I don't know, it's not very dark because it's pencil. But once it's on there, you go ahead and use your scissors very carefully, cut that oval out. And it's okay if it's not a perfect oval. It's okay if your cutting isn't perfect. Everything is okay. All right, here we go. My oval is definitely not a perfect oval, but I'm going to use it because it's already cut out. Okay, so once you have your brown oval cut out, I want your big person to help you cut just a tiny little slit right in the middle of your oval, okay? Just like maybe like a little X. Let's just say even a little, I'm gonna put a little triangle in there, okay? I just have a little triangle. Oh, hello everybody. But it doesn't even have to be that, just even a little slit, something so that you'll be able to rip it open later, okay? After you have your oval on the brown paper, your big person maybe can help you. We're gonna be using the white paper now. We want to draw another oval on our white paper. So many ovals, but you guys got this. But we want the oval on the white paper to be just a little bit smaller than your brown one, okay? So once your big person, maybe they can draw your oval right onto your white paper. They're going to draw that oval. After that oval is drawn onto that paper, paint it. Yes. Use your fingers and paint your oval. Paint your oval. I already did this, guys. Ready? Look. Paint it yellow. Yes, because this is going to be your chick. All right, so if you don't want to use your fingers, go ahead and use a paintbrush. It's okay, doesn't matter, it's up to you. We're gonna put that on the side to dry. Mine's already dry, but you're gonna put yours on the side to dry, okay, a little bit? While that's drying, let's take our orange piece and turn it into our chick's beak. Your big person can help you again with this, all right? All we want to do is cut a triangle out of your brown, not out of your brown piece of paper, that's just silly. Out of your orange piece of paper, okay? To be the beak. Or your big person can even just draw the line so that you can cut it maybe. All right, it's a triangle, but it actually kind of opens up too. And it doesn't have to open up. Mine opens up. It's an open up beak. But it doesn't have to open up because you're gonna take it, you're gonna bend, I'm gonna get a little bit closer. All right, you're gonna bend the corners, just the little corners of them, in a little bit, all right? There we go. And we are gonna glue just those corner pieces onto our paper. Our yellow, well, the paper that we just painted, that one. Okay, and also if you fold your beak in half, it'll help it to stick up a little bit. Okay, I'll show you how this works. So I folded my beak in half and I put those little, yeah, your big person will really be able to help you. Now I'm going to take my glue and I'm only, oh, gotta scooch my glue up, there we go. I'm only going to put glue on these little tiny tabs, okay? That's the only place we need the glue. So we'll get some glue on there. Yes, yes. Well, they don't really want to go on just the little tiny tabs. Okay. And then you take those and you put them right onto your paper like so. And the little beak, there we go. It kind of sticks out. Isn't that neat? Look at it, it's sticking out. It's like a 3D little beak. You see it? Isn't that so neat? Your big person can help you with that, okay? Because that's a little bit tricky. Once you have that on, we're gonna take our black, open that up, stick your finger in there. If you don't want to use your finger, you can use like a Q-tip, or you could use the other end of the paintbrush even. You're gonna take it, and you're gonna put one eye, two eyes on your chick. So cute, isn't that so cute? This is why I brought myself a paper towel. Whoa, if I can hold on to it. Got it. I'm gonna wipe my finger off quick. All right. And then we're getting to our final steps, guys. We're done with this, so I'm gonna close it back up. Our final step. Well, not really final, almost final. Now we're gonna take this brown egg and we're gonna glue it on top of it. We're hiding our chick. Wonder why we're doing that. We're gonna find out. When you put your glue on, just glue just that outside circle, okay? Don't put glue all over the whole thing. Just on the outside. Let me put some on mine and then I can kind of get up close and show you. Just want the glue on the outside edge of this is the egg. Well, yeah. You made an egg with this oval. Okay. I gotta be faster, or else it's gonna dry, and then I have to do this again. Okay, so see, just on the outside edge, then you're gonna take it and you're gonna cover your chick. Your chick is now covered in an egg. And what happens when a chick wants to come out of an egg? It hatches. So this is the fun part, okay? When your glue is dry, because some of you might be using stick glue, some of you might be using the other glue. If you're using stick glue, it does dry. I mean, it's not dry, but it can work pretty well. Okay, anyway, when the glue is dry, this little slit or hole or whatever was in there, this is the fun part. You kind of rip it open so that your chick hatches out of there. How adorable. I love this craft. I just fell in love with it because it's like so cute. If you really want, you can even like rip some of the pieces off and glue them like they fell, but how cute is that? You just kind of free the chick. Yeah, So fun. You guys have oh, you know what? I mean, I was gonna say have so much fun making it, but let's put our names on these and the dates on these and decide if you want to keep them or if you want to give them to somebody. Then we definitely want to clean up. So we're gonna put away the glue, clean up the paints, throw away any papers and scraps, put away scissors or paintbrushes or pencils or crayons or markers, anything that you have. We're gonna clean it all up. We're gonna help our big person clean that up, right? But most importantly, have fun making your little chick craft. It's so cute. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.